Today, I will introduce Isuzu 10-ton refrigerated truck. Box size 6,800, that's red, 2,300, that's red, 2,300, plenty space. Wheelbase 5,200, standard Isuzu 190 horsepower engine. Isuzu MLD 6-speed transmission, air conditioning, power steering, safe and reliable. Front axle 4 tons, rear axle 7 tons with ABS, air brake, and flat cap. On-car refrigerated truck body adopts the latest available technology, braking insulation technology, hands-free fiberglass inside and outside the box, deep bolts, simulate synthesis using large negative pressure equipment, one-time molding, fast cooling speed, slow heat dissipation, good insulation effect. 8 cm high-grade insulation portfolio in the middle, 10 cm thick bottom plate with earthquake resistance, insulation, and durable sealing. Rectangle aluminum profile used around the box and stainless steel locks are used for the rear door. Optional refrigeration you list different brand, optional movable hook frame, optional ventilation slots, customized protection for you. If you are interested, please call me.